Welcome to Choice Champions. The best sugaring kit is probably one of the most effective and natural hair removal methods you can find. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sugaring, exploring its benefits, and helping you find the perfect kit for your needs. We'll cover everything from the ingredients to the application process, ensuring you're well equipped to achieve smooth, hair-free skin from the comfort of your own home. Get ready to say goodbye to razors and hello to a gentler, longer-lasting solution. Number 5. Morning Pep Monk Fruit Sweetener, Classic 2.5 pounds. Looking for a perfect sugar replacement? This product offers the same sweetness as traditional white sugar, but without the extra calories. It's a great choice for anyone wanting to cut back on sugar. If you're on a keto diet, this is ideal for you. It allows you to enjoy sweet treats without exceeding your carb limits. You can satisfy your cravings while staying on track. It's incredibly easy to use with a simple 1-to-1 substitution ratio. This makes it simple to use in your recipes. No complicated conversions are needed. This product contains no calories, making it an excellent choice if you're watching your weight. You can reduce your caloric intake without sacrificing any sweetness. This product is verified by the Non-GMO Project, ensuring it's free from genetically modified organisms. You can trust the quality and origin of what you're consuming. It's certified kosher by the Orthodox Union, making it suitable for those who observe kosher dietary laws. It meets the highest standards of quality and purity. It's ideal for all your baking needs, from cookies to cakes. It provides the same texture and taste as sugar, so your baked goods will be just as delicious. What we like? This sweetener is a zero-calorie alternative, perfect for those watching their weight. It's also keto-friendly, allowing you to enjoy sweetness without the carbs. If you're looking to reduce your sugar intake without sacrificing taste, this is a great choice. What people say. The product works. The design is good. Number 4. Sugardoh Sugar Waxing Kit, Mini Kit Medium. This kit is perfect for women who want to remove hair at home. It includes everything you need to get started, from the sugar paste to the applicators and strips. It's a convenient and effective way to achieve smooth skin. This product is trending on TikTok. It's a sustainable choice for body care, minimizing waste. It's also vegan, biodegradable, cruelty-free, and made in the USA. This sugaring wax gently removes hair from the root, reducing pain compared to traditional waxing. Hair grows back slower, and it becomes finer over time. It's made with only 3 clean ingredients, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Forget the hot messes. This paste is used at room temperature, eliminating the risk of burns. It works with your skin's natural heat, only adhering to dead skin cells, offering gentle exfoliation. Cleaning up is a breeze. This sugar-based paste washes away easily with water, requiring no special cleaning products. It's made with just 3 simple ingredients: natural sugar, organic citric acid, and purified water. What we like? This kit offers a complete at-home sugaring experience, making hair removal easy and convenient. It's gentle on the skin, reducing irritation compared to traditional waxing. Since it requires no heating, it eliminates the risk of burns. If you're looking for a user-friendly and less painful hair removal method, you should consider it. What people say. The product effectively removes hair from the root. The sugaring kit includes everything needed for hair removal. The sugar paste is easy to use and apply. Number 3. Sugaring NYC Hard Paste 1.3 kilograms for toughest hair. This is an organic sugaring wax paste. It's designed for effective body hair removal. You can trust it for a smooth, clean result. This product is certified for sugaring body hair removal. It's a safe and reliable choice for removing unwanted hair. The certification ensures its quality and effectiveness. This product is brought to you by Sugaring NYC, a leading name in sugaring salons. They are based in New York City. They have years of experience in the field. It's made with 100% organic ingredients. This means it's gentle on your skin. It's a natural choice for hair removal. It's easy to use at home. There's a how-to video and manual available on the website. You can achieve professional results in the comfort of your own home. What we like? This sugaring paste is designed for the toughest hair, perfect for areas like the bikini line and underarms. It's made with 100% organic ingredients, ensuring a natural approach to hair removal. If you have coarse hair and are looking for a reliable, organic solution, this product is ideal for you. What people say. Love this wax. I know the instructions say 10 to 15 seconds, but I do 60 seconds due to the jar size. It was easy to learn. I watched many tutorials before it came. It exfoliates and leaves your skin looking beautiful. Number 2. Sugaring NYC Home Hair Removal Kit. Tired of shaving? This kit offers a natural and effective way to remove unwanted hair. It is made with organic ingredients and is easy to use at home. The kit includes a large 350g, 12 ounces, jar of sugaring paste. The paste is made with 100% organic ingredients, ensuring a gentle yet effective hair removal experience. This kit comes with everything you need for easy at-home use, including applicator sticks and strips. The process is simple, and the results are long-lasting. Developed by Sugaring NYC, a leading name in sugaring hair removal. You can now experience the same quality and results at home. For detailed instructions, including a how-to video and manual, visit our website. Get ready for smooth, hair-free skin with this amazing kit. What we like. This sugaring kit provides an easy-to-use, organic paste for effective hair removal at home. It's made by Sugaring NYC, a trusted name in sugaring. If you want a simple, organic solution for hair removal, this kit is a great option. What people say. When you get the hang of sugaring, it's easy and effective. Super easy cleanup and doesn't take much product. The flicking motion is pretty easy with this product. Number 1. Hard sugaring paste for bikini, Brazilian, arms. This hard sugaring paste makes hair removal easy. It's designed for sensitive areas like the bikini and Brazilian, as well as arms. The sugaring paste is gentle on your skin. It effectively removes hair from the root, leaving your skin smooth and soft. Specifically formulated for delicate areas, this paste provides a comfortable experience. It minimizes irritation, making the process as painless as possible. This product is also perfect for arms. It provides a clean and long-lasting result, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. The package includes a plastic applicator for easy use. This ensures a smooth and even application, maximizing the effectiveness of the sugaring paste. What we like. This hard sugaring paste is specifically formulated for areas like the bikini and Brazilian. It comes with a plastic applicator for easy and precise application. If you're looking for a hard paste to tackle those sensitive areas, this product is perfect for you. What people say. The product works. The design is good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.